Hi, this is Subbu here. So AI in news again. Okay, the San Bruno Police Department was actually patrolling. Okay, they are the driving under the influence. Okay, enforcement team. What they actually noticed in San Bruno is they noticed a car taking an illegal U-turn. You know what? They stopped the car. The car stopped. Okay, so when they looked inside the car, it was an AI-driven or self-driven car, AI-enabled self-driven car. Okay, unfortunately, they were not able to issue a penalty ticket for this particular situation because there's no human inside. Okay, there's no human in the loop, on the loop, in control. Nothing was there. Okay, but now it is not a classic case of an input perturbation attack. Okay? We are not exactly sure of what the root cause is. Okay, but the U-turn was taken in the place where it's not supposed to take. Okay, now this is where the AI governance actually comes in. So I'm not, saying that the company which in fact I heard that this car was actually owned by and manufactured by Alphabet. Okay, the parent company or the holding company of Google. Now they would have definitely done okay all the the governance. They have definitely would have done the put in the governance mechanism in place before they rolled out this particular car, and thousands on thousands of miles the car has actually driven successfully without a problem. But that doesn't mean that it's not going to make a mistake. Okay, in fact, in my AI security and governance classes, we discuss about the predictable AI, okay, predictive AI, which is in the NIST. Okay, we've got adversary machine learning, where it speaks about the Gen AI and predictive AI. Okay, so the car has been driven for thousands and thousands of miles perfectly doesn't mean that it will not make a mistake. Okay, same with the human. Okay, we have driven thousands and thousands of miles doesn't mean that we will not make a mistake. Right? Same thing holds good to the car also. But fortunately, there was no fatality. There was no accident as such. Okay, so it's all safe. But the question is, we always discuss about the explainability and all these things, right? Now, in spite of the car being manufactured, okay, with an extreme AI component place, with the governance in loop, etc., but still, the mistake has been made. Okay, so not to undermine, okay, the not to undermine the usage of AI in the world at the moment and the tremendous progress that's been made, but still mistakes do happen. Okay, the classic example of it. This happened on 28th September. Okay, no driver, no hands on, no clue. They were not able to issue the ticket. Okay, because there's no human here, so the ticket could not be issued. Okay, our citation books do not have a box for the robo. Okay, so robotics and artificial intelligence together, okay, is going to be a bit challenging, not only for the humans and also for the legal departments in which the human work. Thank you. This is Subbu. Okay, you stay connected and subscribe with me on this channel. Cheers and bye bye.